Okay, so I just got done editing this video that you're about to watch. This is one of those weird videos where the market value of the box is way higher than it should be. So calm down, cool your jets. Remember that the market value doesn't mean how much they're gonna sell for. That's just what the market's at right now. And right now the market is bonkers. Okay, here's a beater box. I'm deflating. That's what's happening here. I mean, breathing. That's what humans do. Hello. Hey, thanks for tuning in. It's another edition of Beater Box Friday. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media platforms, Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right at this moment. And below that is my website, which you can visit today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see all the shoes that are coming out of this box. And that website is located at sbmitch.com. Hey, pals! This box comes to us from Soul Supremacy at Soul Supremacy and soulsupremacy.com. It is a membership-based program. They do not have open memberships, but it's still a very good shop that's worth checking out. This box was $975 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,025. That's a counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're going to take the entire estimated value of the box, place it up against how much I paid to see if there's any profit. There usually is, so that's pretty cool. And keep in mind that the prices that pop up on your screen, they're like, pow. No, they don't do that. But the prices will pop up on your screen. That is just the value of the shoes, not how much they're for sale for. Now that you have all the info you need, or you fast forwarded to past this point, whatever. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. All right, let's open this box. Let's see what's in here. There's a couple loose pairs. There's a lot of Adidas, bummer. So this first pair out is a size 10.5. Oh, it says Kobe on the tongue. This is an Air Zoom HUARACHE, I think. You can see it's got some Kobe branding on it, on the heel. Some Kobe branding on the tongue. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but I mean, it's just a triple black Air Zoom HUARACHE. But prices will pop up on your screen. That is just the value of the shoes, not how much they're for sale for. These are probably from the mid-2000s. They're definitely old. They're still wearable though, so that's good. Let's check the other shoe out. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of wear on the suede, but this is still in good shape. So there's your first shoe out of 10.5. Air Zoom HUARACHE, some kind of Kobe something or other. Yeah. There you go. If you're interested in those shoes or any of the other shoes that we're pulling out of this box, check out sbmitch.com at 6 p.m. today and they'll be available for sale if you want to buy them. If you don't, that's cool too. Next up, we got a pair of actual HUARACHEs. This is a size 11. There you go. It's a blue HUARACHE with some kind of iridescent thing going on with it. These are relatively new. It says 2016, so a lot of blue suede or nubuck or something. These are in okay shape. These might be sneaky value. I really don't know. Nice little accent on the tongue, which is pretty cool. A little bit of outsole wear, not too much, but you know, I mean, it's a running or cross-training shoe. So size 11 HUARACHE in some kind of bluish, some kind of colorway thing. Number 2, let's do number 3. Okay, a lot of Adidas in here. So next up we have a size 10.5 Adidas Ultra Boost collaboration with Game of Thrones. This is the White Walker collaboration. They did like 4 or 5 with Adidas Ultra Boosts. This is actually a really nice colorway. It's very simple. See the Game of Thrones branding on the insole. A little bit of outsole wear, not too much. Doesn't look like there's like heel drag or anything crazy. They just look like they've been worn a little bit. So there you go, size 10.5 White Walker Ultra Boost collaboration. Interesting. There's some more Adidas. A size 9.5 NMD R1 PRIMEKNIT. That's exactly what these are. I think these are called like marble or something like that. They're worn. There you go. Weird upper. Outsole wear is pretty, not too bad. Not a lot of heel drag or anything like that, which is really cool. These are in okay shape. I don't think they have any value. I mean, if it was 2015, these would be worth like 200 to 300 bucks, but not anymore because, yep, not gonna get into it. There you go, size 9.5, NMDR1. This box is not great so far. There's a lot of Adidas in here. That's kind of a bummer. Got a Yeezy 500 in a size 10. All right, these are worn, but they are in really great shape. This is the utility black colorway. Suede's in okay shape. It doesn't seem too bad. There's like hardly any outsole wear. You can see the insoles are fine. This is just a colorway that will always sell because it's a triple black. And it's a Yeezy. There's no boost or anything, but it's still Yeezy. So there you go. Size 10, Yeezy 500. This is a not fun box. Got a size 10.5. Looks like someone took a Jordan 1 label and put it on this thing. That's exactly what they did. Ah, it's these though. There you go. This is a size, I mean, if it's the actual right size, let me see. Size 10.5. Air Jordan 1 in the Phantom colorway. These are just not the greatest quality, just kind of weird. You can see there's a little bit of outsole wear. Not much star loss. We're in pretty decent shape there, but yeah, I mean, Jordan 1s will always sell. It's just there was a couple that released last year that just didn't do very well. So there you go. Here's your whatever shoe out. Replacement box, Jordan 1 Phantom. It's got the extra laces, so that's good. Next up, we have a FOAMPOSITE. This is a size 8 Air FOAMPOSITE 1. Whatever that means. These are the Royal FOAMPOSITEs. Wow, these are in really great shape too. There you go. Size 8 FOAMPOSITE. There's a little bit of discoloration on the outsole up here by the forefoot. But overall, I mean, these are in really, really great shape. These were for sale on Supremacy's worn section because there's a little sticker on it. But yeah, these are really, really great shape. This is the kind of condition you're going to be used to seeing on Supremacy's worn section if you ever want to check that out. So there you go, a size 8 FOAMPOSITE in the royal blue colorway. Wow, this box is really boring. It's probably good, but it's just really boring. We got a size 10 Air Jordan 1 mid. Mids got popular last year. I don't know how, but this is a worn pair. This is just the multicolor Air Jordan 1 mid. You can see a little bit of toe box creasing on the vamp there, but there's like hardly any outsole wear. These are in really, really good shape. Maybe even just worn a handful of times, so can't really complain. It's a decent size. These are actually pretty cool. Quality is definitely different than an Air Jordan 1 high, but still pretty decent. They've been improving the quality of mids pretty significantly over the past year because mids are hitting. That's just all there is to it. So size 10 Air Jordan 1 multicolor mid something. And the last shoe in here is it's an Adidas. I'm sorry, future Mitchell, but it is a 380. I've never seen one of these in hand. We got a size 9 Yeezy Boost 380. So they are worn. This is the Alien colorway. These are goofy looking. You can see a little bit of outsole wear on the you can see a little bit of wear on the outsole. Not too bad. Insoles are in good shape. I don't know if they're like the 350s where the writing comes off really easily, but yeah, these are solid. I mean, there's no drag, nothing weird. Person just probably got them and didn't want them anymore. So interesting colorway. There you go. This is your final shoe out, a size 9, which is a great size. Yeezy 380 in the Alien colorway. And that is probably the most boring $975 Soul Supremacy beater box I've ever gotten. But it could be worth something. So let's check out the numbers right now in the breakdown. This box might be good, but it's just got a lot of models and pairs and stuff that I really just I'm not too crazy about. That's just me. But whatever, we'll see what happens. Hey, if you're interested in any of those shoes, go to my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. Updates today with all those shoes unless they sell on GOAT first, but who knows if that's even gonna happen. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. If you did not enjoy this video, remember to dislike it because YouTube actually takes that into account, so you don't have to see me anymore. That's it. Thanks. Hey, have a great weekend. I will see you soon. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. See ya.